When searching for same-day roofers, avoid common pitfalls. First, don't skip researching the company's reputation, reviews, and credentials. Second, don't choose based solely on price. Consider the quality of work and materials. Third, always ask for references and examples of past work. Fourth, verify the company is licensed and insured. Lastly, ensure they offer a warranty on their work and materials. Curious about Memphis Same Day Roofers? Here are some frequently asked questions. How long have they been in business? Over 10 years, providing quality roofing services in Memphis. Do they offer free estimates? Yes, free roof inspection estimates are available. What types of roofing services do they offer? They provide roof repair, replacement, and maintenance. Are they licensed and insured? Absolutely, ensuring protection for customers and employees. Do they offer emergency services? Yes, same-day roof repair services are available for emergencies. Ready for the best same-day roof leak repair Memphis offers? Call 901-295-3487 or visit www.memphisroofingpro.com for a free roof inspection estimate. They work with various materials, including asphalt shingles, metal, and tile. Financing options are available to help with roofing needs. Plus, they provide a warranty on workmanship and materials for peace of mind. Thank you for considering Memphis Same